When it comes to data subject access requests, it's important to know that sometimes someone else might be making the request on behalf of the actual data subject. For example, a legal guardian may make a request on behalf of a minor, or someone may make a request through an online portal on behalf of a person with a disability. When this happens, it's important to verify the identity of the person making the request and make sure they're authorized to act on behalf of the data subject. We recommend collecting appropriate documentation to confirm this. It's also important to note that children are considered data subjects in their own right, and the right of access belongs to the child. Depending on the child's maturity and capacity, the holder of parental responsibility may need to act on the child's behalf. The best interests of the child should always be the top priority when it comes to making decisions about their data. It's also important to note that this right to access data should not be confused with instances outside of data protection law, where national legislation may provide a holder of parental responsibility to ask and receive information on a child. By following this procedure, we can make sure we're respecting our customers' rights and responding quickly and effectively to any data subject access requests.